Welcome to Adam Home Cooking. Today we are preparing plantain cookie, and these are the ingredients for preparing the plantain cookie. I have my overripe plantain here, very soft plantain. As you can see, I take the skin off, so the plantain should be ripe. This is banana, just trying to show you. The plantain should be dark skin and soft, you see. If it's overripe, you see that it's gone dark like this banana. So it's the plantain, overripe plantain. And I have my palm oil here, just a 2 tablespoons of palm oil. I have my roasted corn flour here. This is a roasted corn flour. If you don't have the roasted corn flour, you can just use self-raising flour. I have sugar and table salt. So all I'm going to do, and also my piping bag to shape the cookie. So I'm going to start by mashing the plantain in my grinding pot or asanka. You can also blend it, use your food processor to smoothen it. So I'll just do this till the plantain is gone very smooth. Now you see the plantain is all mashed up. Now I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of sugar, depending on how sweet you want it. I don't want it too sweet, so I'm just adding 2 teaspoonfuls of sugar, and then you keep grinding. And a pinch of salt. The salt, you can just put a little bit on your teaspoon, just a pinch of salt. Mash it up. Mix it in well. And then you add your roasted corn flour. This is my roasted corn flour. You can use self-raising flour if you don't have the roasted corn flour. But make sure you don't put too much. If you are not sure, you can put, I'm putting 2 teaspoonfuls of roasted corn flour in my mixture. But if you are not sure, what you do is that you put one first, then you bake a bit of it. You take a little bit of it and bake it and see if it's firm enough for you. Because if you put too much flour, it will make it go too hard. And you put less to make it a bit too soft. So you can just try it till you get the texture that you want. So I mix my flour now. I'm going to put my palm oil in the mixture. Just put 2 tablespoonfuls of palm oil. Then I mix it again. So this is the plantain mixture now. See, it's smooth. So I'll use my piping tin. You can use your piping bag, my piping container. I'm going to put this in my piping container. This plantain cookie can be served as a starter or a snack. So I'll just do this, close it, and then I'll pipe it onto my baking tin. I spread flour on my baking tin because I don't want to use oil. If you know, my cookie will go too soggy. So I'm just going to do this. If you are using piping bag, you know how to hold it. So that's my plantain cookie. You pipe it all like this on your tray, then you bake in the oven. So this is ready to go in the oven now for about 10 to 15 minutes. It's cooked and golden brown. Now our plantain cookie is ready. You see, it's firm. So I'm just going to take it off the tray and put it on my pastry, my rack like that. It can be served as a snack, a starter, or even sweet. So these are done home cooking special plantain cookie. It can be served hot or cold. Enjoy.